Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Fremete video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows 10 Pro. As you can see, it is saying your Windows license will expire soon. So let's go. So first you need to go to the search and type in CMD. That is the command prompt. Then you're gonna right click and then run as administrator. I was waiting for the box to come up. Click on yes. Alright, so here you go guys. So we have a series of things to type. So the first thing I'm gonna type, I'm gonna put it in the description section of the video. Then space IPK, click enter. And next thing we're gonna get is the product key. GWX and C98. Now going to have 4J6 C9. And have T8 GX. Right guys, so yes, so now we have the product key. Click on enter. Then next thing is the type CLMGR space forward slash. Then I'm gonna have SKMS space S8 dot UK dot TO. Click enter again. And then the final thing is SLMGR space forward slash ATO, enter. So once you do this, then you should successfully definitely activate your Windows 10 Pro. In the description section of the video, we'll be definitely posting all of the information in terms of what you would copy to actually get it activated. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Fremete is out of here.